Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Turtle Beach VelocityOne flight stick. Start with the wrist rest. You can adjust it for comfort and for left or right hand use. Find the securing screw on the side and loosen it slightly. Move the wrist rest to your preferred position, then tighten the screw to lock it in place. Now, look at the throttle heads. These are swappable. Pull the current head straight off the lever, then push your preferred one on until it clicks. Make sure it is firmly attached before use. Now we connect the device to your platform. This flight stick works with Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, and Windows 10 or 11 PC. Use the USB-C to USB-A cable that comes with the device. Plug the USB-C end into the flight stick and the USB-A end into your console or computer. After plugging it in, set the input mode. Use the flight management display and the configurator wheel. Rotate the wheel to find input mode. Press the right side of the wheel to select it. Then choose either Xbox or PC and press the wheel again to confirm. Finally, update the firmware. Download the Turtle Beach Control Center or the companion app from the Microsoft Store. Open the app with the device connected in the correct mode. Follow the on-screen steps and do not unplug the device during the update. Thanks for watching.